Assalamu Alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome to Noor Diary Frames. MashaAllah. In our previous lesson, we learned Zaad, Ra, and Za. Today we will learn Sheen, Sheen, Saad, and Daad. Here's an easy way to remember these letters. Sheen and Sheen have two small curves and one larger curve. Saad and Daad have one small curve and one larger curve. Now look at the dots. Sheen has no dots. Sheen has 3 dots above. Saad has no dots. Daad has 1 dot above. Remember the curves and the dots. They're the key to recognizing these letters. Let's begin the letters. This is Sheen. The articulation of Sheen is the tip of the tongue near the lower front teeth. Air flows smoothly while pronouncing Sheen. In English, similar to S in sun. Let's practice together. Sheen, Sheen, Sheen. This is Sheen. The articulation of Sheen is the middle of the tongue near the roof of the mouth. Air flows smoothly while pronouncing Sheen. In English, similar to sh in ship. Now let's practice. Sheen, Sheen, Sheen. I hope you guys understand the difference between Sheen and Sheen. Also, both Sheen and Sheen are light letters because the sound coming naturally from the mouth. This is Saad. The articulation of Saad is same area as Sheen, but pronounced heavily. Sound, heavy, S. The important point to be noted is that the tongue rises slightly. The mouth becomes fuller. Practice with me now. Saad, Saad, Saad. This is Daad. The articulation of Daad, one side of the tongue touches the upper molars. In English, similar to D in dome, but with much deeper sound. Practice with me now. Daad, Daad, Daad. Saad, Daad are heavy letters because the sounds coming from the mouth are fuller and deeper. Okay, quick quiz. Which letters are heavy? A or B? Comment down below. MashaAllah. Today you learned Sheen, Sheen, Saad, Daad. In next episode, we will learn new letters inshallah. Episode 5 coming soon. Subscribe for more Arabic lessons. Bye bye.